when you're washing your wig, you want to use a very gentle shampoo and a very gentle conditioner. Make sure that they are sulfate free so that they will help your fibers last a long time, help your color last longer. If you do feel like the wig gets a little bit dry, you can also use a leave-in conditioner and just follow the directions on the bottle. This one just says to leave it in for, a few, like 10 minutes and let it sit on the hair, and then you can rinse it out. The only thing that you want to always be very careful of is you don't want to get any kind of conditioner up here on your lace, next to any of the lace. You just want to wash and condition the hair, focusing on the ends. I also, after I wash a wig and right before after I towel dry it, I like to use an oil in it just to, again, add moisture back. Since human hair wigs don't have follicles, you have to make sure that you put the oil and the moisture back into the hair and just keep that hair very, very well moisturized, and then your wig can last you for a very long time. So now I want to curl her, but I thought I would show you a little bit of styling while she's still straight, just so you can see what she looks like in some different styles. Okay, I'm going to put some curls in the wig. So first I'm going to spray it with a heat protectant. And you just want to get that generously through the hair. I just like to run it through and make sure I have a good coating on all the hair. And then we can start to curl. So I am using a 1 1/4 inch barrel curling iron. I'm just going to grab some pieces here in the front. I like to curl the hair away from the face. And we're just going to put some big barrel curls in her. Just hold it till it's warm. There we go. Oh, very pretty. Really curled nicely. Some of the pieces, the layers, you're going to want to split into, because it's just going to be too much hair in the curling iron. Okay, here's the finished product. Gorgeous with all of these barrel curls. Let me turn so you can see it, and then we'll play around with the styling a little bit again. So pretty. So again, you could do your half up, half down style. When you pull your wig half up, half down, just make sure that your lace is laying down. Beautiful. And then of course that ponytail is now going to have waves and look really lovely. So pretty. I just love her curled. Ah, gorgeous. So this is Heather in color number 8. Thanks so much for watching.